If you run a lead generation agency, you know there's this one moment you both dream of and, let's be honest, kind of dread. It's that moment you start to really grow. You're landing more clients, which is awesome, right? But behind the scenes, your simple, clean process is turning into this tangled mess. All of a sudden, growth feels a lot less like success and a lot more like chaos.
Does that sound familiar? I bet it does. You're making more money, sure, but you're also working longer hours. Your team is totally stretched thin, and you're starting to see these little mistakes slip through the cracks. If you're nodding your head right now, you are definitely not alone. This is the classic scaling trap, and today we're going to talk about how to get out of it.
You know, for years, the playbook for scaling in agencies seemed so simple. Just get more clients, hire more people. Got a problem? Just throw another piece of software at it. But here's the thing. That doesn't actually solve the root issue. You're just adding more complexity, more costs, and honestly, more ways for things to break. You're not building a system. You're just building a bigger, more complicated machine that's pretty much guaranteed to break down.
So, what does this breakdown actually feel like, day to day? Well, the chaos usually shows up as 4 very specific and very, very frustrating headaches. These are the symptoms that are screaming at you that your current way of doing things just wasn't built for where you're trying to go. Okay, first up, tool overload. Just think about the workflow for a single client. You're in your CRM to get their contact info, then you're jumping over to your email platform, then you pop open a spreadsheet to track progress, then it's over to your calendar to book a meeting. You end up spending more time switching between browser tabs than actually doing valuable work. It is absolutely exhausting.
Second, and this one is huge, inconsistent lead handling. When you don't have one single standardized process, leads just fall through the cracks. Maybe a really hot lead doesn't get a follow-up fast enough, or it gets sent to the wrong person. Every single one of those little mistakes is potential revenue just vanishing into thin air, all because your system relies on people manually passing the baton.
And number 3, the soul-crushing task of manual reporting. You know what I'm talking about. End of the month, your team has to stop everything they're doing, pull data from like 5 different places, paste it all into a spreadsheet, and try to build a report that actually makes sense for the client. It's hours and hours of time you can't even bill for, and clients still complain they want more up-to-date info.
And finally, there's the constant juggling of client accounts. Each client lives on their own little island. Their campaigns, their data, their emails, it's all in separate places. This makes it impossible to get that 30,000-foot view of your whole agency's performance, and it forces your team to constantly switch gears every time they move from client A to client B. It's just inefficient.
Okay, so that's the problem. It's a mess, we get it. But what's the solution? Well, it's not a slightly better spreadsheet or yet another project management tool. The real solution is a fundamental shift in how you think about this. It's moving away from adding more things and moving toward embracing a single, unified system.
And this right here really boils it all down. On the left, you've got the old way, this chaotic cycle where every new client just means more tools, more staff, and ultimately, more problems. But on the right, you've got the new way, one single system that gives you total control and allows for real, profitable scale.
This is the key idea right here. The real breakthrough isn't going to come from another software subscription. It's about changing your entire approach. It's about making the decision to build your agency on the foundation of a single, powerful system that's designed to do exactly what you need it to do.
So, what does this system actually look like? This isn't some fuzzy, abstract idea. It's a real, actionable blueprint. It has specific parts that work together to completely eliminate those headaches we were just talking about. So let's break it down. This blueprint is built on 4 core pillars. First, you unify everything with what's called a multi-client CRM. Second, you automate your lead routing. Third, you empower your clients with their own portals. And fourth, you standardize everything with repeatable workflows. Let's dig into each one. It all starts with unification. A multi-client CRM is basically your agency's command center. Instead of dozens of separate accounts and logins, you have one dashboard where you can see and manage every single client, every campaign, and every conversation. That juggling problem we talked about? Yeah, this solves it.
Next, you solve that inconsistent lead handling nightmare with automation. When a new lead comes in, the system instantly knows exactly where it belongs, which client, which campaign, which salesperson, and routes it there immediately. There is 0 delay. This means you never, ever let a hot lead go cold again.
Remember all those hours your team wastes on manual reports? This is the cure. You just stop building reports. Instead, you give each client a login to their own private portal. They can see their performance metrics live, 24/7. They get the transparency they want, and you get countless hours of your team's time back. It's a total win-win. And this is the magic of it all. It all boils down to this one simple, powerful number. One platform, one login. One single source of truth for your entire agency and for all of your clients. This is what simplicity and control actually looks like.
And just think for a second about what this one system replaces. We're talking about your CRM, your email tool, your scheduler, all of those messy spreadsheets, and your client reporting software. The savings in both money and just sheer complexity are absolutely massive.
So let's bring this all home. The takeaway here is really simple, but it's also pretty profound. True scale isn't about working harder or hiring faster. It's about working smarter by building your agency on the foundation of a single automated system.
And hey, if you need any more convincing, just look at this comparison. When you scale with people, you get high, recurring costs, consistency that's all over the place, and slow manual speed. But when you scale with a system, you get a low fixed cost, perfectly standardized processes, instant automated speed, and 24/7 client visibility. I mean, the choice is pretty obvious, isn't it?
So I'll just leave you with this question to think about. What would it mean for your business, for your profits, and for your own peace of mind if you could double your client base without all the chaos? What if you could truly scale without even having to hire your next employee?